Once again, Koikimedia will bring the work closer to your doorstep. Ekasan, Ekale, Ekurole, ibi tẹ́ bá sì ń wò wá, ẹ kú dédé time yìí. Ìgbà tí a gbọ́ ìròyìn tó ń lọ, ẹni sùúrù ẹ má worry tá bá ti wà stable nsìn máa mú. We are live at the governor's office, governor's house in Secretariat. Because this morning we had the news that some group of people came here to say wọ́n ní Adele kan dé, wọ́n ní àwọn Adele kan dé, àwọn fẹ́ wá gba ilẹ̀ tí àwọn fẹ́ wá ṣe gbà, àwọn fẹ́ wá ṣàwò, wọ́n rán àwọn kan wá yí page. We are using this opportunity to tell you, say this thing is not from CSI or from Professor Adebanji Akintoye. It was Iya Onitiri. It's Iya Onitiri that is planning all this kind of thing. Governor's office la wá wà yìí, ojú ọ̀nà governor's office ní lọ sí secretary àwọn là ń lọ yìí. So a máa fi ràn yín bí ó ṣe gate order deputy. There is no road in front. Once again, Koikimedia will bring the work closer to your doorstep. Akanika wà ní àmọ́ kan pẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá wẹ́ ni tí wọ́n máa mú Onítìrì ní kí wọ́n mú Onítìrì. Ó ní kí wọ́n lọ bá wa declare wanted because he's one planning all this problem. He's the one planning all this coup. So it's not our doing. It's not with the knowledge of Professor Adebanji Akintoye. It's not with the knowledge of Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. It's not with the knowledge of OLAYOMI KOIKI. It's not in the knowledge of the world Yoruba Nation world media. It's not in the knowledge of Oba Ogboni Abalaye or the CAN Yoruba Nation Christian Association or any other group they call themselves. It's not in knowledge. So they block this road so we won't be able to go further. They've already blocked it. Once again, Koikimedia will bring the work closer to your doorstep. So, akanika tún wá sójú ọ̀nà yìí ká fi ràn yín gbogbo nǹkan ṣe rí. If I can see, let me go back another side. So, I will pass another place by going to the secretariat because they said secretariat gangan ni issue ẹ̀ tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Once again, Koikimedia will bring the world closer to your doorstep. Mo ṣe ń wò bí ibẹ̀ yẹn ṣe rí. I will still have to go and check. I will still have to go that place and confirm. Let me go there and confirm. Once again, Koikimedia will bring the world closer to your doorstep. Èyí Onítìrì olórin àwọn èèyàn gbogbo wa engage. So let me try and check. Èyí Onítìrì ló rán àwọn èèyàn wá láti wá invade. It's not with our knowledge. Kò sí nǹkan tó kàn wá. Chief Sunday Adeyemo ṣá wọn ní kẹ́nìkan máa ń fa wàhálà wọn nìkan máa jà. Wọn nìkan bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkankan jà. Wọn nìkan bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkankan jà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin mídíà wa nílé tí ẹ bá ń wẹ́ni tí ẹ máa pariwo ẹ̀. Ìyá Onítìrì ní kẹjọ kí ẹ bá wa pariwo ẹ̀ síta. Wọ́n pera wọn ní Democratic Republic of Yoruba Nation. It's not the one we are clamoring for. They call themselves Democratic of Yoruba, Democratic Republic of Yoruba Nation. That is the name they call themselves. That's the name they call themselves. So ona là ń jẹ́ kí gbogbo yín gbọ́ yìí. That is the name they call themselves. So I'm approach secretary and see yes. Once again, Koikimedia will bring the work closer to your doorstep. Information and fún yín bó ṣe ń lọ. Secretary náà ní àwa yìí. Agbègbè tí nǹkan ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Òun náà ni ẹ̀rí wa tí a wà yìí. Òun náà lẹ́rí wa tí a wà yìí. Lọ sí láwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. once again, Koikimedia will bring the work closer to your doorstep. I try to make some approach. Like Benson, let me go offline, then I will come back online.